Yo, it's your boy King Richard, aka the God of Rap from Creative Minds Entertainment. That's KME. You should know by now, man. I shouldn't have to do this, but I do it anyway. You know what I'm saying? You see the hearts flowing. We're gonna do something for the ladies today. We're gonna do something special for the ladies. Can we do something for the ladies? Ladies, can we do something for y'all? Can we put that Johnny on? Oh, we sure look good tonight. JB's music. Shout out JB's, man. Hey. And you the baddest that I seen on the scene. Plus my favorite BBW. Wasn't searching for another heartbreaker. Who need that? With these females out of patience from my feelings, I'm detached. And the high class to the basic, all the same. Don't love me back. Then you walk by me just sway and said, excuse me, oh my bad. I ain't never seen you here before. Tell me who you is. Energy and got a different glow. Feel you worth the risk. Confidence and with respect you spoke. Chemistry is lit. Just my type and everything I want. Super duper thick. And you laughing, but I'm already making plans for us. Play no games cause life too short. And I need someone to trust. Never shame to have you on my arm. Proud I got you cuffed. Hot enough to set off an alarm. Haters burning up. Ayy. BBW.